Hey, hi everyone. Welcome back. As part of the today's session, let us see how exactly we can handle switch. So I'm copying this program and I'm pasting it again. Switch with the name as a switch. And here, of course, I want to deal with the UI Kit Catalog app itself. So on this, once the UI Kit Catalog app got launched, there is a switch and you can change the status of this particular switch. So how exactly we can deal with this switches is the key thing. Now, I'm trying to establish a new Appium inspector session with the UI Kit Catalog app. Let it establish. So here, it wasn't supposed to be this. Here, it should be on this home screen. So let us reload. So here I need to identify the switches. So the switches, it's not showing up properly, though I have a selected. So let me drill down to the source code. So whenever I drill down to the source code, see I have a notice that this is the thing. The switches does has the accessibility ID. So come back here, driver dot find element apm by dot accessibility ID, and this is the value. And you need to click on the switches. Okay, you need to click on that particular switch. After clicking on the switches, it takes some seconds to load it, hence I have given 2 seconds. So we have already seen implicit wait in the previous session. You can also use that implicit wait rather than adding a sleep everywhere. Okay, that's fine. Now here, let us identify this switch. So here, if you see, whenever I'm selecting, I was not able to identify the attributes. So I'm drilling down to the source code. See, when I selected this one, it's highlighting the default header. And if you deep dive into this further, this is the XCUI element other. And if I further down, I do have an option which is XCUI element type switch, and the value is 1. Okay, let me tap on it and see here. Okay, let me perform a tap on it, and here I do see that the type isn't changed, still the value is 1. So the point out over here is I have only one attribute which is a type. I can write down an XPath using this type attribute. So here slash slash star open braces at the rate type is equal to and the single quotes. When I search for it, of course, there are two switches are there with this. In order to go with a precise object, I'm specifying the index as a 1, index 1. So the index 1, it's gonna be my first object. So come back, copy this XPath, go to the program, driver dot find element apm by dot apm by dot XPath, and I want to use, of course, the click operation. And additionally, after selecting that, wait for a second. And the simple thing that I'm dealing is I'm changing this XPath index to 2. Whenever you change the index to 2, it will be handling the next switch as well. Okay, it will be handling the next switch as well. Perfect. Let me try to run this program and check it out whether it is handling the switches or not. The app is being launched. It should click on switches first after certain amount of time, and then these two options it should change. That's it. So this is the way how you can deal with it. And even you can click on this one basically to navigate back. So here see basically you have a name. Okay, you have a name for this particular button. Okay, there is a name attribute and there is a button as well. So directly you can use this particular name as well. Once this is done, driver dot find element Appium by dot name. Okay, it doesn't copy that name value. What is that name value? The name value is this one. The name value. Click. See, basically, after changing this index, the switch, wait for a second and then go back. That's it. We are just asking it to go back to the previous instance. That's it. The script, it should execute this time. Switches, handle both the switches, and then click on a back arrow, which is the UI kit catalog button, and then terminate the app. That's it. So this is the way how exactly you can handle the switches. In the next session, let us come up with a couple more UI elements. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.